What's going on? So you're on AT&T and you want to try out T-Mobile. You've had your phone a couple years, so yeah, it's locked to AT&T, but you own it now, so you can unlock it. This is the boat that I'm in, so I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to att.com/deviceunlock/#. I don't know why the hell they put that pound on there, but whatever. So if you've verified that you're eligible to do it and everything, this is how you do it. You get your IMEI by dialing just in the straight phone dialer *#06#, and it'll pop up. So write that down. Then you click unlock a device, and you're going to submit at that address your IMEI, and they will send you an email. Email will have your unlock code with instructions. All you have to do is turn the phone off, take the old SIM card out, put the new SIM card in, turn the phone on, punch your code in, boom, you're done. So we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, so phone off, off, off. Are you off already? That was quick. Okay, cool. Turned off really fast. Pop your old SIM out. Whoa. That bitch just jumped out. It was like, I don't want to be in here anymore. And you're gonna get the new SIM. Ooh. I'm curious to see if T-Mobile works any better in my house, not only because AT&T kind of doesn't work here for shit, but also because they have a buy one, get one free deal going on for the Galaxy Note 10. And yeah, I hate the fact that they got rid of the stupid ass headphone jack and everything, but hell, a $1,200 phone or whatever the hell it is for free. Okay, I said I'd never buy one. So, give it to me for free. There you go. All right, so new SIM in. I just remembered I don't have this stupid ass code they sent me written down anywhere. So I'm gonna have to grab my laptop. It's like, look, I'm AT&T. Not for long, biatch. And there's the spot where you enter the PIN. So I gotta get the PIN, hold on. Okay, my unlock code is plonk. SIM network unlock request unsuccessful. I must have fat fingered that shit then. SIM unlock successful. Kaboom. Just like that. So now the device is unlocked as far as the carrier goes. So I can put it on any GSM provider that I want. If I go overseas, I can do it there. If I want to try T-Mobile here, which is what I'm doing, I can do that here. Whatever the case, it's unlocked. It's just a generic LG V30 now. So that's cool. It still says AT&T. Oh, I hope that didn't wipe it. Well, it still had my unlock code, so. I wonder. I wonder if it wiped it. Oh, I'd be pissed. Wouldn't really lose anything super valuable, I don't think, but I'd be pretty annoyed. Nope, looks like all is right with the world. Okay, all right. Had me going there for a second. I was like, ooh, you son of a bitch. All right, so now let's see. We're gonna run a test. This network cell info app is really cool. It shows you not only your connection as far as Wi-Fi and stuff goes. Up here is your actual SIM card. It'll show you what band you're connected to and the reception, which right now the reception isn't looking a whole lot better than what I was seeing on at&t. Yeah. Well, shut up. Go away. Stupid thing. So, yeah, that's not really... Looks about the same as at&t. Come on. Yeah. So, looking like T-Mobile isn't going to work here either. I bought this SIM card off of Amazon for $10 or $12 or something, so it was kind of just a shut up, go away. How do I turn that off? Oops, not map. Oh my god. Anyway, I bought that SIM card for T-Mobile. It's just a like generic prepaid SIM off of Amazon for like $12 or something, just to try it, just to see if T-Mobile does work any better here. Yeah, looking like it doesn't. So, well, you know, lesson learned, right? Yeah, because it's not even connecting here at all. If I put the phone on the couch arm, that's like the couch arm is my go-to spot. If I need to make a phone call or something, I put it over here, and usually it works pretty well. On at&t at least. Yeah, see, it connects over there. Yeah, it looks about the same as at&t. Or I can put it over here sometimes and make phone calls. Like I said, it's very hit or miss with at&t. They're a little better over there. One place that it doesn't work at all is in my studio. So I'm gonna go run in the studio real quick and just see if it drops completely, because I'm thinking it probably will. That would not surprise me at all. It looks like it's about the same as at&t, and that's what at&t does. So hold on. It actually did work a bit better back there than at&t, that is. Still not great, and it doesn't work very well here at all. About the same as at&t, really. And it says band 2. I'm not sure. Let's turn off Wi-Fi real quick and see if it picks up any data connection. Because I think band 12, well, I don't know. It may do 4G or, you know, whatever you want to call it on band 2 and band 12, but on at&t I was on band 12. They both share band 2 and band 12, T-Mobile and at&t. No data connection at all, so that's cool. Yeah, so looking like good old T-Maybe is gonna be a maybe not. Thought I'd give it a shot. Let me shove the at&t SIM back in and I'll run this app again and show you guys what it's like on at&t right here. Hold on. We got the at&t SIM back in. I'm gonna boot up old Bessie. Now, I didn't really want a new phone yet. The buy one, get one on the Note 10 Plus 5G it's kind of just a too good of a deal to pass up sort of thing. And I thought maybe T-Mobile would work better here. So I'm not really all that heartbroken that it doesn't work here very well. I'm seriously not looking forward to getting a phone that doesn't have a damn headphone jack. It's incredibly stupid that we have to make these stupid ass concessions. These, whoa, what was that? Oh, we have to make these stupid sacrifices for no reason. I mean, you can put a damn stylus in the phone. You can put a damn headphone jack in it. It doesn't take up that much damn room. Anyway, rant over. See my other video. I'll link it over here for you guys. Network cell info, and you'll see it's actually a little bit better, because T-Mobile was down there kind of in the weeds. But this is on band 12. I actually have a data connection now, LTE, not 4G. Well, I don't know. The names are stupid. LTE is 4G, kind of. I don't know. So yeah, that's how you unlock a LG V30 and find out that T-Mobile sucks. Have a good one. Later.